Hey, this is Tyler with TJX Survival. I have come to Canada with Karamat Wilderness Ways to do some winter survival.
My name is Kelly. I'm out here at Karamat Wilderness Ways. My good buddy John.
I am John.
We did a Quinzhee today. I've read that it's kind of a Canadian thing, which is interesting. So you can see here we've got a huge mound of snow. So at its most fundamental level, the Quinzhee is essentially just a huge mound of snow. We had a big crew of people, so today the work was made easy. We just literally piled the snow up in a huge pile, and we're going to excavate it later on and create a platform inside to sleep on and a low door to come in on. You'll see a network of sticks shoved into the mound, and that's for us for reference when we go to dig it out. So there's some smaller twigs used for the thickness of the snow, so we don't over excavate from the inside out. Oh, here's a good little example. And then you see some bigger sticks that are put in to help us identify where the corners of the platform are going to be. And other than that, it's a very simplistic shelter, but extraordinarily efficient. Yeah. A couple people in a candle, if it's sealed off correctly, it maintains very close to 0 degrees Celsius. Right on.
That's awesome.